Okay. Bad stuff. Okay, new plan.
Yung timer! Hindi pa ako nagpipili. Nagpili na agad sa sarili.
No, please get out of here. Ano
ba yun?
Sinabi ko na sa'yo yung pangalan ng laro eh.
Hindi. Ano pangalan?
Sinabi ko na sa'yo.
Okay. Oh, thank you. Okay, Siri. Play. Sinabi ko na yung laro.
Get out of here.
Loko.
Sir, please do not kill me. I sense that it is this guy. What the hell? Bro, he just transformed it and just act like he's innocent. Ken, best Wi-Fi ever. Ken, tingnan ka kanyang best Wi-Fi ng killer. Ken, tingnan ka kanyang Wi-Fi ng killer. Oh, good. Ken, tingnan ka kanyang Wi-Fi ng killer.
Ano?
Ken.
Ano ba yan?
Ano siya teleport?
Wala!
Ken, ako na nag-habol Ken sa killer. Bakit siya biglang bumibilis?
Papakain ko susunod.
I am chasing you, killer. You can't get me. Killer. Kinadulas ka yung killer. Kinabalikan yung butokin ng killer.
Napatay ako ng minions, hindi silong yun. Ng minions yun.
Keningon. I believe I can fly.
Tumalo.
I believe I can fly the sky.
Tumalo sa kulay. Ang palit ng panty kasi wala na siyang bit.
Oh, I could smell them out.
One hand.
Nah, bro, so hard.
Anong ginagawa mo, Hin? Halin. People killed, dead. One dead. Yung minions na kapatay sa akin eh. Hindi yung...
Bro, me Sigma.
Silong.
Can join. Ayaw mo? Tatara. Ken. Tatara.
Your cook. Buddy.
Naluto siya, Ken.
Oh.
Ken. Tignan to. Nagtatago ako, Ken, first.
Blendin na.
Sabay ito, yung babae na to, next to me. This random girl next to me is Witui. Ken.
Keep over. What?
Why is her hair sticking out?
Ano?
My legs might be sticking out, but they never look up. Or down. Gusto mo kayo mag-join? Ayaw mo, okay.
Ako na ako, tingnan mo.
For this moment, utot ka. Sabay, kukunin mo yung flavor sabay anay mo. Lalagay mo na sa bread. Oh, no, 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 sir, no, sir, no, sir, no, sir. Warirado! Warirado! Kaya
Pagkatapos
ayaw mo naman pala eh.
ang hihina ng teammate, kailangan ko kasamahan. Hindi marunong maghugas ng tae. O, triple kill to. Triple kill.
Ano tinatry nila?
Triple. Naka-yes pa. Naka-yes pa yung team ko. Sapay.
Can guess where I'm at?
Ano?
Guess where I'm at?
Ano nga? Nasaan yan? Nasa labas?
Sinarpen niya ba? Hindi naman yan. Dapat yan, yung isang hit lang yan, yung tore, warak na pag sinarpen niya.
Takbo, guys! O, sige. Sige. Joke lang. Hindi ba? Takbo. Joke lang. Takbo ulit.
Hindi nga, nasa no? Oo, bawal maganyan.
Ayun na, nakita ko.
O, try mo hanapin, bawal maggalaw, bawal maggalaw. Dapat nga mahanap mo ako nang hindi mo ginagalaw eh. Last try mo ako hanapin. Okay, Ken! Naglalaro na kami.
Anong linalaro mo?
Wala, ayaw mo naman mag-join eh. Hindi mo makikita kung ano nilalaro ko, syempre.
You're cooked. You're cooked, buddy. Lulutuin na kita. Lutok ka na. Inuto kita eh. Okay. Sige. Combo.
Dagwiri. That I farted the last time.
Ay, ba't ka pumasok?
To fart. And get the flavor of my fart and then put it with some bread. I have farted my sword for this.
Oh, man.
Tagal naman kinang kuya mo?
Ha?
Tagal naman kinang kuya mo? 9 minutes na.
Nag-computer lang yun. Hindi mo ba alam? Hindi mo ba alam? Nag-computer.
Ken. New glitch Ken. Nakali down ako.
Eto, boy. Eto. Huli na, boy. Ay, dati nangyari na din yun.
Ganda nga kayo. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Dead man with a sword. Banana.
It's me falling down the stairs. I'm dead. Ken, it's me falling down the stairs. Ken, it's me falling down the stairs. I'm just gonna look at the beautiful view. What the? And just not fall down the stairs this time. It's me falling down the stairs. Rar, amagos! Rar, rar.
Patay ka sa akin, Hanabi.
Fortabi?
Hanabi.
Fortabi.
Hanabi.
Wannabe. Wannabe.
Hanabi.
Ken, they cannot see me. No! Ibang me, I'm gonna be there.
Joke lang, alam
No,
ko.
push away.
Alam ko na.
Away! Up and 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 away! You're in the way! Hey! Boy! Get it!
Patay ka sa akin, boy! Ako yung pinakamalakas dito eh.
Guys, do you think it's perfect timing? Three groups!
Ang galing.
No!
Patay ka?
No! I'm alive! My prince!
Napatay
My prince! No! Ken, they died.
And ayun.
Ken, they died.
And
Classic lang yun, Ken eh. Classic lang.
game man. Team?
Meow, 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 meow.
Meow, meow.
Meow, meow, meow.
What?
Meow, meow,
Tingnan
meow.
mo. Tingnan mo.
Ano?
Likod mo. Likod mo kasi!
Hacker? What the Bro, that's so weird.
Marami na ako nakikita sa... alam mo ba?
Ken, I'm
ang
leaving
maraming
my
hacker-
job. I'm leaving my job. I'm going
Alam
back
mo
up.
ba ang
I'm going
maraming
back up.
hacker sa MM2, no?
Ken, meron naman, eto kang tao, Ken, nandito, nasa screen ko. Nawala. What? They learned how to teleport.
Si Goku na sila.
Hindi, masyadong mabilis nga kan si Goku, Ken, nakaka-teleport na siya. Teleport.
Uy!
No!
Ano, team?
Why?
Ako.
Innocent.
Innocent na ako.
Bawal nga magpatingin eh.
Hi, Sherry!
Okay, I'm scared. No. I'm scared. Get up. Don't get close to me.
Andito yung shirt sa akin.
Nasan? I am going down. I'm going down. Hiding spot.
Sino?
I see him. Bro, I see him. Bro, camper. Ha, camper.
Nakuha
Camper. Scream yan, bro. What is that sound?
Ba't wala kasing ship lock eh? Kung may ship lock ako, panalo na.
Ano ba yun? Ken, hindi ko alam Ken kung paano nag-teleport ng gano'n. Ha?
Pakita mo?
Okay.
54% innocent! Kaya na?
54% Ken na ano ako.
Bad!
Na cup. Ken, wait. Let me take a sniff.
Hey, why you doing that? Hey! Why you
Sus.
doing that? Hey! Diana! Hey!
Good.
Hey!
Again, I found the sheriff.
Who's the sheriff? I know the sheriff.
Nakakasmell din.
Money.
Ken.
Ruskiri! Meron na kang pen.
Nothing. Smells bad. Sus.
Tingnan mo, may building doon, oh, may building. Hindi tayo makaalis eh. May nag-lock sa atin dito eh.
Can try to find me.
Patay. Sino yung patay? Ay, kala. Oh, panalo tayo. Okay.
Can try to find me.
Where are you? Little guy? Aman. Uy, patingin mo din sa akin. Nandaya mo.
Sheriff.
Protect me.
I'm gonna shoot the first guy that I see.
Ay, alam ko yan.
Wait, no, that doesn't count. There are too much people.
Nakita mo na yan. Barrel mo. Ito, barrelan mo to. 1 minute.
Anyone that gets close is dead.
Alam mo naman ako na dito.
Oh no. I'm missing.
Hey!
Oh no, I know who it is.
Wait,
Bro was literally standing by a body.
who it is?
No, I'm missing my shots.
Compare.
Ken, nakita ko siya ka nagsa-stand by a body. Nakatingin lang siya nandito lang sa body. Ito lang siya kayo. Ken, ito lang siya nakatingin lang siya kanila sa body. Nasaan ka? Ay, nakita ko. Ken, nakita kita, Ken. Pero, Ken, sideways ka.
Ayun.
Wait, check ko. Ken, nakikita ka. Tingin kayo.
Kunin mo yung gun!
Good aim! I have good aim!
Ano ba mo?
Good aim!
Oh, panalo! I'm the cop.
Hindi ka kakap.
Raise your hand and put the gun away.
Ako akin yung cup eh.
Raise your hand and put your gun away. Ba't hindi mo pinatay yung more? Yung
Malapit kasi siya.
Innocent lang
Innocent. Can we to sniff ko kayo? Sniff test. Smells like the imposter.
Smell like sheriff.
No. This guy, the sheriff.
Oh.
I smell him. I smell him upstairs. I smell him upstairs. Okay.
Hindi ko nakita Hindi ko nakita yung daanan ko.
Can reset.
Ha?
Back to base.
Okay.
Wait. Lobby. Nakita mo ko? Hide and seek. Try to find me.
May unggoy ba dyan? Na pangalan Simon C2379.
Ikaw yun eh.
Oh, hindi ko
Hint. Inside ako ng tree.
sabi na. Wait. I have a feeling. Are you there? Oy, my monkey! Hey, monkey! Did you see? Sumun.
No way I want. Kaya nag-reset ako, kaya nabang ghost ako. So,
Kaya
nag-teleport ako nasa lobby.
Kaya naman pala sa pakan kita eh.
Office.
1v1 pag nakuha ko yung monster.
Okay.
Tapos patayin mo yung sheriff. Ay, papatayin ko yung sheriff. Tapos 1v1 na. Yes?
Okay. Wait, first.
Mama! I'm stuck! Dito na lang ako sa ladder. Don't kill me. I'm just a doll with a bacon.
Then I see the imposter.
Who's the imposter? Ba't lagi na nakukuha yung cup? No?
I wanna see you shoot that gun.
Pew, pew, pew!
Mole. Sheriff.
I got the sheriff.
Okay, Ken, we got 2 chances. Mag-shoot ka na random people sabay sa ako naman magkuha. Ken, ayun Ken, yung babae ng Baconeer. Ken, nag-use siya ng speed boost. Yung Baconeer.
Okay.
Ken, ayun Ken, yung Bacon girl na yan. Ken, parile mo. Let's go.
Pew.
Kinakita ko niyang trail, Ken. Ito ang yung nakita ko, Ken. Meron siyang trail nasa likod.
Pew.
Yung speed boost.
I pew him. Kinabahan ako kasi yung dito ako naglalakad yung speed ko. Tapos dito tumabaril din.
What the? Wara.
Stuck na tayo dito.
Ken, madami din Ken tao na stuck.
Yun.
Ayun.
I'm collecting some...
Yes! Sige lang.
The bacon here is the murder.
Ken, hindi ka makakatok dyan.
Oo nga pala.
Ken, yung gun Ken hindi makuha. go and underground. How do I dig?
What you look like? Bank one.
Wala akong pinili.
Napagod ako sa kakas dyan. No.
Murder ka dyan.
Monster. Sabihin mo yung sheriff. Patayin na
Wait,
sa akin
smell ko
yan.
kung yung sheriff. Minsan nasa smell ko yung sheriff eh. Wait. Baka, again, kill mo yun, Ken.
Hey!
Dalawa! Make sure mo ka na wag mo mapapatay.
Huli ka! Extra edition.
Ako yan, yung ano. Haya! Ken, haya! Ken, hayaan mo, Ken.
Sa lag power. Napatay ko na.
Ken, wait. Normal mode ka.
Ikaw ba to?
Ako yan.
Wait lang. Bibigay lang ako ng countdown na. 1, 2, 3, game.
Hindi pa, meron pang tao.
Huwag mo ako barilin. Still, ayun. I see you.
Ako yung nasa taas. Aya. Meron pa ba?
Ikaw yung man!
Okay, wait. Ken, wait.
Ano? 3.
Wait. Nakita mo ba ako? Nasaan ba ako?
Ewan ko.
Wait, check mo.
Sigma check.
Wait. Wrong way ako. Wait, dito. Mag-go ka lang go backwards ka pa.
3.
Wait. Nasa last room tayo. Okay, maghintay tayo dito.
Okay lang.
Hindi pa. Bakit hindi ka nandito? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! What are you aiming at?
Tep ka sa akin. Tepok!
Bro, really closing it.
Ba't ka close? Like a last night.
Shoot. Huyo! Shoot ba kita?
Huli ka! Ay. Huli kayo. Sino huli ko?
No, hindi mo. Isda. Don't get close!
Wait.
Don't close the door.
Pulinak.
Haya! Nakita ko kaway mo. Ay.
Sayang.
Kala ko na tayo.
Ikaw yung napatay ko.
Kaya nga eh.
Kala mo, ikaw yung napatay ko. Kala ko ikaw napatay ko.
Monster. Sheriff!
Okay, protect me.
Oh no!
Who is that?
I could smell her. Like the smeller or he. Oh no.
Who is the killer?
Ken, yung first ka na lalapit kan sa akin, dead. Ken, pero ikaw. Ken, wag mo kang bablock yung shots ko.
Kuha lang ako ng money dito. Money.
Whoever gets close is dead.
Why? You
Sos.
are the murder?
Sos.
Ano yun? Yung ayun.
Nasaan kayo?
Ayun mo na. Ayun, napatay mo.
Ken, hindi siya ako nakita.
Bless. player in town.
Hindi ako
Katulad lang tayo, no? Katulad. Tayo yung...
Monster,
player.
monster!
Oh, Bon. Alam mo na yung job mo. Patayin mo yung...
I could smell someone. Ken, that's you.
Yes, that's...
Ken, lumayo ka.
Okay.
Dead na sila.
Dedo, patay.
Oh, sir, no running.
Dedo sila, patay sila, dedo.
Ooh, I'm acting like I'm scared. Oh, scared, Ken. Rar, I'm a dinosaur. Rar. Kaya tumalon.
Nagulat ako din.
Sir, I deliver your food.
Uy. Kumakabahan ako. Nandito.
Alam ko, nakita ko.
Sa billiard. Sa mga billiardan.
Wait.
Billiard.
Alam ko.
Nandito yung isa.
Active. Okay. Rar. I know that you are the sheriff.
Okay. Kukunin ko muna yung gun.
Okay, wait.
Oh, layo muna. Layo. Okay? Okay na ba?
Wait. Game.
Okay.
Wait. Hindi pa nga pala ako naka-transform.
One shot!
Two shot nga yun. Narinig ko.
Two shot lang. Chip pickle. Chapa, chip pickle. Chip pickle. You know chip pickle? You know what?
I know who this.
Who?
I'm going back down. I'm not
going
revealing it to the viewers.
I'm going to my...
I'm taking a poo.
Mantinan mo.
Helicopter. Sir, I'm here. Sir, I'm in my jail. I'm dead. I'm in heaven. I'm here. Ken.
Camouflage.
Ken. Si Bacon. Yung friend mo. Bacon bros.
Sino yung mother?
Check ko yung kung sino siya.
Sino yung monster? Bacon?
Hindi.
Bacon yung
Check
monster?
ko. Nabaril.
Ay, nagsakam pala yung sheriff. Muntiga na ako maihi dun.
Maihi ka sa'yo yan.
May x-ray ako. X-ray.
Ako din.
X-ray yung ginagamit.
Ako din. Share cup ka dyan? Sure. Never mind.
Okay. Alam mo.
Ganito ang plan ko. Pag sheriff ka, shoot mo yung first guy na makita mo. I know who the sheriff is.
Who's the sheriff?
Guys, I really should not just kill someone.
What? Oh, he's dead.
What? Can I could see that, you know?
Kunin mo na yung gun.
Can I could see your long legs?
What?
I could see your long legs from here.
Ba't hindi mo kinuha yung gun?
Hindi ko nga nakita eh.
Patay ko na yung cup kanina eh. Okay na. Helicopter!
Bank!
Okay. May secret base ako dito.
Op.
Inasal tayo. Meron akong secret base dito. Ito. Pero hindi to secret base. Ito.
Alam ko.
Ito lang to.
Can hear.
Mon yung... Yan yung babae.
Can in here. Akin na to. Mine.
Ay, ako yung pag pinatay ako. Alam mo na. Okay?
Can shoot ko yung first person na nakikita ko. Pero hindi ikaw. Sorry.
Ito! Nakita mo to.
Can.
Mon, nakita mo!
Can. Bacon! Gen. Kunin mo yung gun! Ow!
Sino yun? Mon.
Andyan yung bacon!
Say so.
Bro, yung... Binlock!
What?
Ken, bakit ka pa din nandyan? Bro, I got a duplicate of his body.
That's my clone, bro.
Oh, yo. Bro's back? Huh?
That's my clone. Kage bunching technique. Clone Junju.
What is
Mon,
happening?
tingnan mo to, Mon.
What is happening?
Mon, tingnan. Patay na agad yung chair. Tingnan mo. May secret base ako dyan. Bala ka kayo.
Okay, I know that who's not.
Mon, tingnan
forgot
mo
that
to,
that
Mon.
guy
May
is
secret base ako dito.
It's the robot guy.
Oh, nakita ko nga.
Wait. Nasaan ka?
Mon, nakita ba ikaw? Sabi ko sa'yo, secret basic. Kasi hindi tayo napatay. Hindi ako nagpili ng lock.
Ako din eh.
Ako din.
No!
Laban naman! Laban.
Ano?
Laban.
Wait. Patayin ko muna.
Oh, sige. I will kill the murder and tagu-taguan.
Ay! Patayin ko muna sila lahat.
I'm not the fairy, but I'm the cat. And you're the...
Halilililoing, ching ching, pong pong, pangling, yoya, bing chilling.
Ano kung may kukuha sa'yo? Bahala ka pagkayos ka ng laya.
Nakikita.
Halalalala!
Nakikita.
Halalalala!
Ba't ka nang babato?
Halalalala!
Ba't ka nang babato? Sino binabato mo?
Okay, I see them.
Nakikita
I see them. Nandito
Ay,
ka.
andyan ako!
Okay. Alam ka na yun eh. Hay! Halalali nani nanyuni.
Hey, Roblox. Okay na? Explain mo nga. Ayan na lang, okay?
Hindi pa, meron pa.
Kala ko babar na yun na kita eh.
How is bro here? How is bro outside?
Yeah, ba explain?
Bro, he is outside.
Ang daya naman nun. Wait, may look at.
Look at me,
Ay,
tomato.
bawal.
Never mind, it's not outside.
Tingnan mo, tingnan.
He is inside. Dead.
Okay now?
Wait, let me check. There is still someone. You upstairs or downstairs?
5 minutes.
Inside here.
Lin, 5 minutes na, Lin. 5 minutes na. By tomato. Ay, ayan mo na. Ay, Ano,
Hey, sir, I deliver your food.
I'm Amir. Okay?
Wait, check ko muna, check ko muna.
Okay na?
Okay, good. Ow.
Two shot.
Good aim.
I'm good eh.
Bro, I literally got $250,000 and the game isn't even letting me buy the thing that I need.
O, bili ka nga.
2,500 naman to.
Okay. Here you go, my phone.
Yup.
Linus.
Can I know it's this guy? It's this guy.
Okay. I will run to that guy. Hey!
Never mind, he's upstairs.
I know.
Ken, it's that baconaire. It's that baconaire. Oh, run.
Nag-distract ako,
Bro, the gun is not pickable. I cannot pick it up and I just picked it up. Ken, hide and seek.
Ha?
Hide and seek. Inside ng base. Inside ng base.
Okay.
I'm ready. Such a good idea.
I have 3 questions for you, okay?
Okay.
Are you in the tree?
No.
Are you in secret spot or not?
No.
Ito, hindi ito secret eh.
I told you I'm not in a tree.
Oh, wala ka sa tree. Okay. Nakita mo na itong monkey.
Hindi ako.
Ay,
Kinakikita kita.
nakikita mo ko. Sasiba ka ah. Saska. Hoy, nag-reset!
Ha?
Nag-reset ka. Narinig ko yun. Ang daya mo.
Hindi ako yan.
Hindi.
Nag-reset nga lang ako for fun eh.
Wala! O, yan o. Nakita ko. Ikaw, nakita ko.
Nasaan na ka?
Ando. Mag-reset ka. Sige.
Okay.
I dare you to reset.
Okay,
daya mo.
papakita ko sa'yo.
Tingnan mo! Tingnan mo, hindi ka pa nasa lobby.
Nasa lobby nga ako.
Hindi, nasa lobby. Hindi ka pa nasa lobby.
Ay, naku.
Oo nga, nakita ko na yun. Bakit?
Try mo ako hanapin.
Multo ka yan, daya mo eh. Tingnan mo, multo ka.
Ken, try mo ako hanapin.
Multo ka yan,
Pew.
daya mo.
Magre-reset nga ako na magre-reset eh, para makita mo ako.
Nakita na kita.
I'm hiding inside the closest tree. Ken, I'm hiding inside the closest tree.
Yan, panalo na. Ang hina mo.
Nangin ako.
Hindi, yung robot kasi. Bang,
Try mo ako hanapin.
bang. Bang.
Try mo ako hanapin. Ken, try mo ako hanapin.
Bang. Sasabihin ko yung murder. Pag
Ken,
pinatay
shoot ko
ako.
yung first guy nang nakita ko. Okay. That guy sus.
Yung bacon! The bacon hair who likes banana. Told you.
Kaya nakita ko siya, nagsisend siya akin by the body. Ito siya
I'm looking at your body.
Kinakalmot niya.
Nakakaluwat.
I'm about to fall in. I'm about to fall in.
What?
Sheriff,
tayo.
sheriff.
Lagit tayo.
Ilugit, ilugit.
Lagit tayo.
Ken, follow me, Ken, follow me.
Ano yan?
Kailangan ko ma-find ng ano.
Follow me? Follow kita. Ayun.
Kailangan ko mahanap. Alam ko ka na innocent ka. Alam ko na innocent ka.
I will kill you. I will kill you.
Ken, inside the toy store. Inside the toy store.
Mon, yung...
The murderer! The murderer! I saw him turning to me and said, I'm the murderer! I'm the murderer! I'm the murderer! I'm the murderer! I'm not the murderer! I'm not the murderer! I'm the murderer! I'm the murderer! I'm the good guy! I'm the good guy!
May Christine pala akong 3 spin.
Okay, Ken. Ang sakit.
Oo nga.
Ay, wait. Okay, Ken. Another spin. Hindi nga natin titignan muna.
Ano ba? Okay na.
Hindi pangit yan. Bakit mo kasi nire-reveal?
You looks like potato.
No! It was so close.
Common name kita din eh.
Ken sa'yo nagtitrade.
Ha? Nasa
Ghost.
pot ko nagkakape. I see you.
I'm hiding.
Why you hiding? You're shy?
No. It's
Why?
because I see a monkey. Name Cristiano Alcalde. Murder ka. Hindi ka nag-glitch. Alam ko lang kung paano mag-stay dyan.
Hi, anak.
Anak. Anak pangalan.
Andyan ako.
Oh no.
Hindi
Where's
na
that? Where's
nila ako mapapatay. Mon, mananalo na tayo kasi alam mo ba kung
Bro, you really trying to shoot me, ah? Bro, you got bad aim!
Mon, mananalo tayo kasi I'm here. Di ba pag
Alam ka.
I'm here to save the day. Buhay pa ako. What a sigma.
What? No! He did. Somebody did dancing.
Man, tingnan mo to, man. Tingnan mo to.
I could smell someone.
Tingnan mo to.
I could smell someone. Ken, nag-reset ka na. Eh, hindi ka na inside ng game.
Falling down the stairs. Di ba mo nag-reset ako kanina?
Eh, hindi ka na inside ng game.
Hindi, yung kanina.
I knew it. Bad aim.
Gure. Tingnan mo, ikaw yung You lost your job.
Wait, I lost?
You lost your job. Man, it's me falling down the stairs. Yun lang.
I'm dead.
Buhay pa ka man.
Buhay pa ako.
Tignan mo kailangan mag-stair.
Can wait. Game ended.
What? Di ba nag-reset ako tapos nakakita mo yung situation?
Moonwalking.
Ayoko na mag-reset.
Ken, he did not leave. Ken, meron na tayo ng target. Ken, shoot mo nga siya, Ken. Shoot mo nga siya, Ken.
Sino?
Yung ano, nagsabi ka na nag-leave ka daw, Ken.
I will shoot first person I see.
Ayun, Ken yung first person nakita mo. Ayun, Ken yung first person nakita mo. Ayun, Ken. Ayun, Ken yung nag-trash talk.
Nakita ko na.
Ayun, Ken yung nag-trash talk.
Makulit ka, ha? Makulit ka, trash talk pa more. Trash talk! Trash talk! Trash talk more!
I'm
Are
leaving
you
my job.
serious?
Ken. Yeah. You can't get you can't get
You die. I'm serious. I kill you.
Ken, pag ano.
Yes, I kill you. I'm serious.
Ken, I got the target.
Me too, I got that target.
When I get sheriff, directly shooting him.
Me too.
Bro, I just got pushed down. What the what? Ken. I'm gonna try to pretend that I'm gonna kill. The monster is here. The monster is here. I got the gun. I'm about to shoot where that guy is. Where's that guy? Where's that guy?
Here.
Kaya nasa na kanya nag-trash talk?
Andito mo na sa warak. Yan o, andyan sa taas na yan. Dito. Ayun o. The guy who trash talk.
Ken, get the gun! It's the Baconair! Totally. Ken, it's the bacon girl here!
The girl!
Or maybe the guy.
Sige, pumunta dito patay.
Ken, it's the bacon hair girl. The girl!
Are you serious? Kasi napatay ko yung wrong guy. Kasi sabi ko, I will shoot first person who I see.
I died.
You died.
Sheriff.
Ayun.
Yeah, my dead body's found it. Yeah, my dead body's found it. There is nobody there. My body is gone. My body is gone. It's not there. Kaya sasabihin ko sa'yo kung sino yung imposter. Okay. I'm looking who it is. I'm looking.
I'm the impostor. Because I
Ken. Okay, Ken?
yung guy nag-revenge sa atin mo.
Nag-revenge
Okay,
back to
siya
base.
sa akin.
Okay, revenge tayo sa kanya. Ba't hindi pa tayo mag-ano?
Uy,
Trade mo ako.
Let me trade you.
Offline pala!
Off-in. Okay, all na ako. Ikaw din pala eh.
Friends.
All. All dapat all.
Uluku. Tututututut. You can
Friends,
only...
yun. Ito pala, friends. Friends kasi.
Naka-friends nga ako kanina. Hindi ko magana.
Di, bawal tayo mag-friend.
Can I'm dancing. Can I'm dancing.
Anong noodles yan?
I'm eating my own spit. I'm eating my own spit.
Hayos kay tas man.
Ano sabi ko? Dalawa?
Man.
I am Spider-Man like the guy.
Charger pala yun. Yun, parang hindi charger.
Give me, murder. Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Murder.
What? Hindi tayo yung murder.
Ako yun! Oh, no. I died. I'm dying. I'm about to die.
Wala palang kasamang ulo ko.
No! I died!
Ano sa mga des? Noodles.
Na lang.
Okay, ikaw na lang.
Okay.
Hey! You are fired.
I'm fire.
You're on fire. Ano ba yan?
Man, may si Trash Pacman nag-live na ba?
Check ko.
Nag-live na ba?
Checking. Leave. Bro, you broke the sound barrier. I'm just kidding.
Sa baba ako. Sa baba ako.
Ha? Umalis.
Man, sa baba ako. Who's the murderer?
Yeah, no, I'm running. I'm just claiming coins. Not my problem.
Man, sa baba.
Not with us.
Ayan na, patay.
Bing bang.
Baba ako nun sa bo.
No.
Protect me, okay?
Sir, you're being too sus. I'm gonna kill you. Ken, kala ko kung nasan ka. Dalawa yung tao. Dalawa ikaw?
Dalawa ako.
Meron nag-clone, kala ko yung isa, ikaw, so
Ay, sayang.
Very.
Dashu. Okay.
If it's that girl.
I will shoot first person who I see. Real. Oy! Nakita kita. Nakita ko siya.
Who is it?
Nakita ko to. Parang innocent siya. Shoot or...
Ganito yung babae na
Alas ka.
renting.
Okay, ikaw naman.
My turn.
Your turn.
Shoot that girl.
Your turn.
Yes. Okay. Bro is unstoppable!
Okay. Wait.
The people turn. The other people's turn. Parang meron ka namamatay doon, no?
Ha?
Parang meron kang tao na mamatay.
Parang meron ka na.
Parang meron monster ka na pumunta doon na sa taas. Ino. Kendito. Smart choice. Ken, wag ka dyan. Huwag ka dyan eh. Oh.
Pangit naman. Kung yung sheriff gano'n.
Kin, stay! Stay!
Nakuha na yun.
Kin, stay in here!
What? Uy, muntik.
I know. It is a
Ilo.
bing bang bang bing bang bang bing bang bang
Pakin kita eh, loko ka talaga eh.
bing bang bang bing bang bang bing bang bang. Can try to find me.
Nasa puno ka. One monkey ka. Nakita ka na yun.
Ha? Nasaan?
Ayun, no. It's me falling down the stairs.
Kala, innocent tayo.
Ino tayo, Ino. We are
Can-
Ino.
Bro, why did that gun just spawn in front of me?
What? Nakita ko nga yung gun.
Whoop! I missed.
Man, the bacon hair.
Okay, Ken. It's your turn. Ken, get close.
Where?
Ken, get close.
Where
Ken,
are
get close.
you?
Behind you.
Pun yung bacon girl.
Yung bacon girl. Which one?
Bacon girl. Ito. Ay, ano, may hat siya. Kulay pula.
Oh yeah. Don't get close, miss. Don't get close, please.
It's my turn.
Ay, it's my turn. No, it's my turn. Can reset.
I see you.
I am busy.
Paano yan?
Reset.
Nag-reset lang ako tapos.
Hindi, lobby yung kinig mo eh.
Oh. It's me.
Bring forts. Bring chong chong ching chong chong ching chong chong ching chong chong ching chong chong bing chilling ching chong chong ya bing chilling monster. I can smell the monster.
Baby, we build this house. Bro, you don't know the song.
Bro, sinabi mo na. Baby, we did this house.
Ay, bulag.
Our memory. Take our picture now. Take a look, see it. I'm about to get ready. I'm about to die and feed. I'm about to run and he's chasing me. Boy, you young man, you died. You young man. You're too young. I'm too young to die. Bro becoming Goku. Hook. Give me the guard, sir. I delivered her food. He just killed me. I'm back. Bling bang bang bling bang bang bling bang bang bling bang bang bling bang bang.
Man-reset ka. One. Click mo yung green.
Green? Green
Green nga eh. Bulag ka ba? Ang running green dyan oh.
Ito, green.
Hindi yan. Yung puno, ayan oh, may green. Sabi ko
Click
sa'yo.
done.
Ay, sikat dito eh. Click mo yung puno.
Putot.
Okay, and...
Wala!
Bring bang.
Oh, Ding bang bang ding bang bang ding bang bang ding bang bang.
Kung gusto mo, dalhin ko yung bago kong, ayun, yung remote control.
Sige.
I'm Dino Ken, and you fart! Oh, okay.
Okay,
You
what
know?
are you gonna say?
You know the
What are you gonna say? Do not lose the door on me like that. Can I gotta go to a secret spot?
Get you.
Bling bang bang bling bang bang bling bang bang. You're dead, miss. You're dead, miss. Miss, no running, miss. No running. No run, no run. I'm shooting. I'm shooting.
Jingle bell,
Jingle bell, jingle ball the way.
Jingle bell.
Yeah. Sheriff dead. Sheriff dead.
Okay, I will. One on top.
Wait.
He's dancing.
Oh,
On top, two on top.
I'm so scared. Where's the water?
Two on top. Top. Two on top. Ay. Kaya na.
Wait.
Kaya na lang.
Two more underground. Miss, no running. Cut you off! Check ka muna. Hintay muna.
Wait a minute.
I leave it. 10 legs in. I'm standing nung binisama.
Sumasayaw siya.
Meron pa. Ikaw ba to?
Binayang step underground met. But
Miss, no running. I'm chasing you down.
Miss. Pogi.
Can look, there's a plushie. Can look, there's a plushie. Can there's a plushie. Can look, there's a small plushie.
Where?
It's someone underground buried.
Oh, dito.
Wait,
Ay,
meron pang tao.
Oh, sige.
Meron tayo ko siya hanapin eh. Laban na nga lang. 3, 2, 1, go.
Bawal lumapit Hoy, ba't ka lumalapit?
Pwede.
Oh, sige. Lalayo ako. Lumalapit ka.
X-ray.
Lalayo ako sa'yo. Lumalapit ka.
Hindi ano lang. Nag-cheat ka lang. Bro, cheater, runner. Di pag murder ako, target kita.
Joke lang.
Hindi, target na kita. Meron na ganun target eh. Target kita.
Munti lang mo circle. Ano ginagawa mo? Ba't ka nag-reset? Wah! Patay ka na agad dyan mo.
Hindi. I'm you.
I am
I'm gonna spectate.
invincible.
Ken. Okay, wag na lang.
Ano?
Wala.
I see the blue.
Okay.
Run! Hit a rock!
The Rock! Oh, he died! Ken died! Bro, you sound like you're about to poop. Pinenda ba natin yung video? Did we end the video? Can we end the video? Okay.
Yes.
Guys, that's for all. Subscribe.
Yes.
Could you please shut up? Guys, that's for all. Subscribe. Bye.
Yes.